Join me as I take on the ultimate challenge, exploring New York City for the first time and finding the best spots for beginners. Welcome to our New York travel guide for beginners. Today, we'll explore the must-see attractions, tips for navigating the city, and some insider secrets. Traveling to New York can be overwhelming, especially for first-timers. With so much to see and do, how do you plan an unforgettable trip? The city that never sleeps offers endless possibilities, from iconic landmarks to hidden gems. Getting started can be tough, but don't worry, we've got you covered. The key to a great trip is knowing where to go and when. Researching and planning ahead can make all the difference. Start by making a list of your top attractions and experiences. We'll highlight iconic landmarks like Times Square, Central Park, and the Statue of Liberty, as well as provide practical advice on getting around, where to eat, and safety tips. These are must-visit spots that you won't want to miss. From Times Square's bright lights to Central Park's peaceful green, there's something for everyone. And when it comes to food, New York has it all: pizza, bagels, or a classic New York-style hot dog. Discover the unique neighborhoods that give New York its character, from the trendy streets of Brooklyn to the cultural richness of Harlem, making your visit truly memorable. Each neighborhood has its own story to tell and its own charm. Exploring these neighborhoods will give you a deeper understanding of the city's diverse culture. You'll find everything from street art to historic landmarks. In summary, New York City offers endless experiences for every traveler. With these tips and insights, you're ready to embark on your adventure. If you enjoyed this guide, be sure to check out our video on the best restaurants in NYC and share your travel plans in the comments below.